Namaskar. Devi Saptashati, which is also called Chandi Path. Today I'll be trying to explain a little bit about it just to simplify what it entails. Devi Mahatmya, the glory of the goddess, is a part of Markandeya Puran from chapter 81 to 93. The name Saptashati itself clears that it has 700 verses and there are 13 chapters. It is among the earliest surviving complete manuscript. It is also known as Chandi Path because of Devi's name Chandika, the ultimate power, that is the supreme goddess. The Saguna forms of Devi are revered as Shri Mahakali, Shri Mahalakshmi and Shri Mahasaraswati. This particular Mahatmyam, it talks about the time of Savarnike Manvantare. Now what is that? Savarni's Manvantar. Savarni was the 8th Manu. So it talks about the time of the 8th Manu, in which that cyclic period of time, what happened was there was a king by the name of Surat and there was a business person named by Samadhi. Now both have had lost their complete hope after losing their kingdom, after losing their business, after losing the support and the love of their families. They were completely disillusioned and extremely disheartened. So they were going to the forest. They meet there, both of them, and they also meet a sage by the name of Medhas, and they were like in tatters. They were completely heartbroken and they were sharing their own plight that there is nothing in life anymore for either of them. So sage Medhas, through this entire chapter and the mantras and the verses, explains that this entire disillusionment, the entire disastrous feeling that there is nothing left or there is something left, either which way, it is not a game that is to be taken as something that we as a doer do, but it is something that is to be understood under the light and shadow, the play of Mahamaya. And one needs to understand and know Mahamaya. And if we do not know her, then we fall under the various delusions, pains and sufferings. So it starts with the stories, and there are various sub-stories within which there are many demonic figures like Madhukaitav, Mahishasur, Shumbh Nishumbh, Chandamund, Dhumralochan, Raktavij, and through all the stories in which Devi Durga as various forms appears and conquers and slays the demons and wins the entire structural force that was happening at that point of time, where there was only helplessness. The gods were running around not being able to get any answer how to get a respite, and it was always and always Devi with all the powers and strength and valor who was coming and slaying the demons repeatedly again and again, and completely bringing back hope and possibilities for the gods, and through the stories, of course, for the humankind. Now, through all the fights and the wars that is being portrayed in Devi Mahatmya, what is actually metaphorically also being stated are the various anxieties and turmoil that a human mind and existence go through, because of which it becomes too much sometimes as hardships of life, where we fail, we do not understand, we do not recognize what is happening. The never-ending pursuits, sometimes for power, sometimes for possessions, and the very stressful ways of achieving them through deceits and ruthlessness. These pursuits need to be modified and done or understood that this is how situations are operating, sometimes which seem to be in control, sometimes which seem to be beyond our control. So to get some semblance, to get some order in the disorderliness, Devi Mahatmya is a great force to reckon with. The question, what's happening? We ask it all the time, what's happening? That gets a respite when one dwells deep. Arrogance doesn't help in this case. Humility goes a much longer way. For the simple reason that man is too fragile to even conceive the power of this supreme intelligence that holds it all. And Devi Mahatmya again and again proves it, states it emphatically, and gives us a way to understand it, to look forward to something which will bring more peace, more structure, more strength, and more power to us as well. The all-powerful Durga Saptashati Devi Mahatmyam is considered an extremely potent mantra. Imagine it like a singularity expressed through 700 verses. A mantra that has passed from generation to generation, initially and still strongly through oral tradition. There is a manuscript, but there is a way of stating these mantras. There are various rules and regulations that get followed. There are various mantras that precede the ucharans of Devi Mahatmya, and there are various mantras which comes later on. So it's not something that should be just stated like that or taken very lightly when one does it with all earnestness and all strength and complete capability and surrender. There is something which sparks, and there is something that takes us beyond the obvious, that can only be known when one practices this particular, either in the form of ritual or in the form of belief, whichever way we see it. And in any case, imagine the mantra where we are stating the obvious. One of the most famous mantra of Devi Mahatmyam goes as the Devi Suktam, where we are saying Namo Devyai Mahadevyai Shivayai Satatam Namaha Namaha Prakrityai Bhadrayai Niyatah Pranata Smatam Raudrayai Namo Nityayai Gauryai Dhatrai Namo Namaha Jyotsnayai Chendurupinyai Sukhayai Satatam Namaha Kalyanai Pranatam Vriddhi Siddhe Kurmo Namo Namaha Nairitye Bhubhritam Lakshmi Sharvanyai Te Namo Namaha Durgayai Durgaparayai Sarayai Sarvakarinyai Khyaatyai Tathaiva Krishnayai Dhumrayai Satatam Namaha Atisaumyati Raudrayai Natastasyai Namo Namaha Namo Jagat Pratishthayai Devyai Krityai Namo Namaha Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Vishnumayeti Shabdita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Chetanetya Vidhiyate Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Buddhirupena Sangsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Nidrarupena Sangsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shudharupena Sangsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Chayarupena Sangsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shaktirupena Sangsthita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Trishna Rupena Sangsthita नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु जातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लज्जारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु स्मृतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। इन्द्रियाणामधिष्ठात्री भूतानां चाखिलेषु या भूतेषु सततं तस्यै व्याप्तिदेव्यै नमो नमः। चितिरूपेण या मेतद्व्याप्य स्थिता जगत् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। स्तुतासुरैः पूर्वमभीष्टसंश्रयात् तथा सुरेन्द्रेण दिनेषु सेविता करोतु सा नः शुभहेतुरीश्वरी शुभानि भद्राण्यभिहन्तु चापदः। या साम्प्रतं चोद्भुत दैत्यतापितैरस्माभिरिषा च सुरैः नमस्यते या च स्मृता तत्क्षणमेव हन्ति नः सर्वापदो भक्तिविनम्रमूर्तिभिः। इति तन्त्रोक्त देवीसूक्तं समाप्तम्. In this entire stotra, if you see, Ma is being considered as everything that one can see as manifestation. So if the manifestation, that is Prakriti, that is Devi, and we are seeing her in everything possible. Every good has to be guided by her. Every blessing has to come through her. Every power, every strength. So let us hope this Navratri and for all the Navratris, we get these blessings. We remember with all humility what it is to be human and how it is to be understanding the entire kaleidoscope. Nothing else can be said but a kaleidoscope of universe. Namaskar.